Okay, so this exercise is for you to try when you are going to sleep. It's about the healing sounds, and you will be working on different organs of the body. You can sit at the edge of your bed or on a chair if you're doing it at any other time of the day. And let's begin this healing sounds meditation by feeling your spine straight, tuning into your breathing. You can close your eyes, and then you can bring your hands over the head, and then you're going to be doing the lung sound, which is and then calm down and bring your hands, send white light to your lungs. We're gonna bring vital energy to the lungs, transforming sadness or depression into courage and confidence. When our lungs are full of energy, we can feel courage, we can feel inspiration to create the life that we want. So we do the lung sound again. And then bring them down. Visualizing white, radiant light and sensing that energy inside your lungs. Bring the hands down, and then you can circle around the knees, where we are going to put our like a little hug around the knees, and we're going to do the sound of the kidneys. The sounds are when exhaling. And then we're going to put our hands on the area of our kidneys, healing our kidneys, transforming fear into inner peace. So we're going to go now to the water element with our kidneys, and we're going to interlace our fingers, kind of embracing our knees with the tips of our toes touching the ground. And we're going to breathe in, and when breathing out we do the sound of the kidneys. And again, breathe in. And then we put our hands over the area of our kidneys. We can imagine transforming fear into peacefulness and certainty. One more time. Sound when exhaling. And then sending blue radiant light onto the kidney area. Now bring your hands above your head, and we interlink our fingers, and we go to do the liver sound. We are going to lean slightly to the left, that's your left, and when exhaling we do the liver sound. And then we're going to bring our hands over the right hand side where the liver is, and we're going to transform anger and stress and frustration into kindness. Kindness to others, but also to ourselves. So we imagine green light. You feel that nice energy strengthening the liver. Always notice that the rest of your body is simply grounded, without tension. And then we interlock the fingers again. We lean to our left, again, your left, and then make the liver sound. bright green light, helping our liver to have harmony and balance. And we bring the hands down, and we're going to interlock the fingers above the head. And now we're going to lean to the other side, to the right, your right, so we can do the heart sound. When exhaling, and now our hands are going to be on the left, and now your hands are going to be on the left, slightly to the left where the heart is. And we're going to transform hatred, extreme anger, impatience, and we transform it into love, compassion, loving energy, feeling happy for no reason at all, and any energy that is blocking the heart just dissipating with this very bright red light. And now we interlock the fingers, and we can lean again to your right, so you can feel the pull on the left. And now again, we put our hands over the heart, slightly to the left. And now we're going to put the fingers the area of the stomach, and we point with our fingers, press slightly while making the sound of the spleen. And now we place our hands, and we can transform worry and overthinking and ruminating, and we can feel more grounded and balanced. And we again do the sound with pointing our fingers into that area of the stomach and the spleen. And now this time we're going to be doing the last sound for an organ that is not visible, but it's called the triple warmer. And with our hands over our knees, we can imagine yellow light. Bring in the mind and the body in balance and harmony. One more time. With all our organs feeling like they're all working together in harmony. And now make a circle, stirring the energy into the O. And we go the other way. And slowly breathing into the lower abdomen.